All right, welcome to a session in mathematics. We're going to continue with our next unit of learning to generate an income and evaluating how we can actually earn some money. So, first thing we want to do is examine what some of our possibilities are. So we could create a simple concept map to help organize our ideas and thoughts. So since we're focusing on a job, let's make that sort of our central theme. So we'll say job, right? And we make a little bubble here. And we could then look at a number of different ways to earn pay. So a wage over here, little connection, we could say earning. And you can earn a wage, well, you could be on salary, right? You could work on contract. You could do commission, right? You could be a sales or used car salesman. So there's commission over there. Another way we can earn a wage is by piecework. Not always our favorite. We could give a little color here. Let's call this a wage. Our main area is our job. So we had a bunch of those. Once we actually have a job, we can look at some of the things we might be interested in, such as the actual sort of pay slip. And a lot of companies have gone electronic these days, but they still basically contain the same information. You're going to get things like your net pay. This is going to be your gross pay. You might have benefit and deductions. You have taxable income. Nobody ever likes taxable income, but unfortunately we always have to pay it. And as well, we might look at over here, oops, let's undo that, some benefits. And one benefit of having a certain job are actually called benefits. These might be things like extended health care, dental, time off. We get things like OT or overtime. You might get a shift premium. Shift premium is when you're making money and sort of extra money than everybody else might make since you're working peculiar hours. Maybe if you worked like a graveyard shift, these shifts would earn more money than if you worked the regular, 9 to 5 job where life was pretty grand. If you're in the service industry, you might also make tips. This, of course, assuming you are good at your job. Most people will leave you a tip, and they might not leave you a very good tip, and therefore that would kind of defeat the purpose of being in the service industry. So here are some of the terms and concepts we'll be examining over the next couple of weeks in this unit. You should be able to add ideas and connections in further detail to your own mind map.